we go to move on proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, two equal ratios, we write A is to B is in proportion with C is to D. We say that A, B, C, D are in proportions. Here A and D are called extremes while B and C are called mean terms. So the rule is product of means is equal to product of extremes. Thus, A is to B is in proportion with C is to D is nothing but product of means. Here the mean terms are B and C. So B into C is equal to product of extremes, that is A into D. Let's see some types of proportionals. First one is fourth proportional. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then D is called the fourth proportional to A, B and C. Second one is third proportional. If A is to B is equal to B is to C, then C is called third proportional to A and B. And third one is mean proportional. Mean proportional between A and B is root of AB. And the question is find the fourth proportional to 4, 9, 12. And second one is the third proportional to 16 and 36. The next one is the mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18. Let's solve this problem. Find fourth proportional. So let X be the fourth proportional to 4, 9, 12. Then 4 is to 9. Here A, B, C and find D. So D is equal to X. So 4 is to 9 is in proportion with 12 is to X. The formula is product of mean terms is equal to product of extremes. That is 9 into 12 is equal to 4 into X. Find the value of X so that X is equal to 9 into 12 by 4. So it is equal to 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 is the fourth proportional to 4, 9, 12. And second question is find third proportional to 16 and 36. Let X be the third proportional to 16 and 36. Third proportional is A is to B is equal to B is to C. So we can write as 16 is to 36 is in proportion with 36 is to C is X. So the formula is product of mean terms, that is 36 into 36 is equal to product of extremes X into 16. So we get X is equal to 36 into 36 by 16, which is equal to 81. So 81 is the third proportional to 16 and 36. Next we have to find that mean proportional between 0.08 and 0.18. So the formula is mean proportional between A and B is root of AB. So 0.08 and 0.18 is equal to root of 0.08 into 0.18. Here after the decimal point there are two digits, so divided by 100, so that 8 by 100 into, this is nothing but 18 by 100, so which is equal to 8 into 18, 144 by 100 into 100. This is equal to root of 144 is 12 and root of 100 into 100 is 100. So it is equivalent to 0.12. Therefore, the mean proportion between 0.08 and 0.18 is 0.12. Let's solve this problem. Given x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4, that is x by y is equal to 3 by 4, and find 4x plus 5y by 5x minus 2y. In the ratio divided by the same number doesn't affect the ratio. So divided by y on both the terms, we get 4 by x by y plus 5 into y by y by 5 into x by y minus 2 into y by y. So y cancel, which is equal to 4 into x by y plus 5 by 5 into x by y minus 2. Given the value of x by y is 3 by 4, substitute the values here. So 4 into 3 by 4 plus 5 by 5 into 3 by 4 minus 2. So which is equivalent to 4 cancel. We get 3 plus 5 by, taking LCM, we get 7 by 4. So which is equal to 32 by 7. So that 4x plus 5y is to 5x minus 2y is equal to 32 is to 7. Next problem is given 1 by 5 is to 1 by x is in proportion with 1 by x is to 1 by 1.25. Find the value of x. So the formula is product of mean terms 1 by x into 1 by x is equal to product of extremes 1 by 5 into 1 by 1.25. Here 1.25 is the decimal, so converted to the fraction, multiply and divided by 100. So we get 1 by 5 into 100 by 125. So 1 by x square, 1 by x into 1 by x is equal to 1 by x square, which is equal to 20 by 125, so that so 4 by 25. 1 by x square is equal to 4 by 25, that is x square is equal to 25 by 4, so that x is equal to 5 by 2, taking square on both sides, so x is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So the value of x is 2.5. Next problem is given x is to y is equal to 5 is to 2 and find 8x plus 9y is to 8x plus 2y. Here the value of x, let x is equal to 5k and consider y is equal to 2k. Then find 8x plus 9y by 8x plus 2y. Substitute the value of x and y here. So 8 into 5k plus 9 into 2k by 8 into 5k plus 2 into 2k, which is equal to 40k plus 18k by 40k plus 4k, which is equal to 58k by 44k. K cancel. So divided by 2 we get 29 by 22. So that 8x plus 9y is to 8x plus 2y is equal to 29 is to 22. Next problem is given a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7. Find the value of a plus b plus c by c. Given a by 3 equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7, let it be equal to k. So that a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 4k and c equal to 7k. Substitute these values in this term. So a plus b plus c by c is equal to 3k plus 4k plus 7k by 7k, which is equal to 14k by 7k. kk 14 by 7 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Next problem is if x square plus 4y square is equal to 4xy, then find the value of x is to y. Given x square plus 4y square minus 4xy is equal to 0, and this value, this equation is equivalent to x square a minus b the whole square form. So x minus 2y the whole square equal to 0. So this term is equal to 0, so that it is equivalent to x minus 2y is equal to 0. So that x is equal to 2y, that is x by y is equal to 2, that is 2 by 1. So that x is to y is equal to 2 is to 1. Let's see next problem. Given if a plus b is to b plus c is to c plus a is equal to 6 is to 7 is to 8 and a plus b plus c is equal to 14. Find the value of c. So let a plus b is equal to 6k, b plus c is equal to 7k, c plus a is equal to 8k. Adding these equations, so a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a is equal to 6k plus 7k plus 8k. A plus a, b plus b, so 2 times of a plus b plus c is equal to, adding this, 21k. And given the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 14, substitute 14 here. So 2 into 14 is equal to 21k. So that k is equal to 2 into 14, 28 by 21, which is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, Substitute the value of k in this equation. So a plus b is equal to 6 into k is 4 by 3. So 2 into 8. So a plus b is equal to 8. We have to find the value of c. So c can be written in the form a plus b plus c minus a plus b. So plus a plus b minus b cancel. So c is equal to c. So we know the value of a plus b plus c is 14 and the value of a plus b is 8. So minus 8 is equal to 6. So the value of c is